videos about annoying ringtones, but I decided that I'd do one on my super fantastic ringtone. Years ago, in the mid-80s, I saw a movie that went on to cult classicdom, The Adventures of Buckaroo Banzai Across the Eighth Dimension. It starred Peter Weller, John Lithgow, Ellen Barkin, Jeff Goldblum, Christopher Lloyd, Robert Ito, Vincent Schiavelli, lots of people. And one of the things I loved about it, other than a quirky story and the super list of actors, was the extremely catchy theme song. And I finally found the movie on VCR years later, and I was ecstatic. Then later on, I found a website devoted to it, and I grabbed the theme song off of that, thinking I could use it later somehow. And I wanted to make it into a ringtone for my phone, but I didn't really know how. Later on, my son used it, played with it in GarageBand, and converted it for me. And I finally got a phone with Bluetooth that would accept it without really expensive software. And then when I got my iMac, I was all set because we could transfer Bluetooth stuff. So I have it as my ringtone now. So this is my favorite ringtone in the whole wide world. The theme song from The Adventures of Buckaroo Banzai across the eighth dimension. It's too early in the morning. It's too early. The Adventures of Buckaroo Banzai across the eighth dimension. Of course, to go with your theme here, the reason I have to go outside to play it is because it's early in the morning and the whole rest of the household would find it very annoying to hear it right now. So, that's my contribution. Thanks.